At the core of everything, every planet, star, and atom are four fundamental forces that govern the universe. Without them, the reality we know wouldn't exist. 1. Gravity, the architect of the universe. Let's begin with the most familiar force, gravity. First described by Isaac Newton, gravity pulls objects toward each other. It keeps us grounded on Earth, makes the moon orbit our planet, and binds entire galaxies together. But Albert Einstein's theory of relativity revealed something deeper. Gravity isn't just a pulling force. Instead, it's the bending of space and time itself. The more massive an object, the more it warps space-time, creating what we recognize as gravitational fields. 2. Electromagnetism, the force of light and energy. Next is electromagnetism, the force responsible for electricity, magnetism, and light. It controls how charged particles interact, from the electricity powering our homes to the way light travels across the cosmos. In fact, electromagnetism is why we can see. When light waves strike objects, they interact with electrons, allowing our eyes to detect color, brightness, and motion. Nar 3, the strong nuclear force, the universe's binding agent. Going even smaller, inside every atom, the strong nuclear force holds protons and neutrons together. Without it, atoms would disintegrate, and matter as we know it wouldn't exist. This is the strongest of the four forces, about 100 times more powerful than electromagnetism. It also fuels the sun's nuclear reactions, providing the energy that sustains life on Earth. Hammer 4, the weak nuclear force, the catalyst of change. Lastly, we have the weak nuclear force, which drives radioactive decay. This force allows elements to transform, making nuclear reactions in stars possible. Without the weak force, stars wouldn't be able to forge essential elements like carbon and oxygen, the very building blocks of life. Bringing it all together, these four fundamental forces work in harmony to shape the universe. Gravity sculpts galaxies, electromagnetism illuminates the cosmos, the strong force holds atoms intact, and the weak force enables the continuous cycle of stellar life and death. The four fundamental forces governing the universe are incredibly powerful, but did you know that there's a hypothetical concept that attempts to unify them all? It's called the theory of everything, T-TOE. Imagine a single framework that can explain everything from the behavior of subatomic particles to the expansion of the universe itself. The TOE is a long-sought goal of modern physics, and scientists have been working on it for decades. One of the most promising approaches to the TOE is string theory. It proposes that the fundamental building blocks of the universe are not particles, but tiny, vibrating strings. These strings can vibrate at different frequencies, giving rise to the various particles we observe in the universe. The idea is that by understanding the vibrations of these strings, we can unify the four fundamental forces: gravity, electromagnetism, and the strong and weak nuclear forces. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel Nexus Physica for more content like this. Goodbye for now.